Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to paint these water drops with acrylic paint. Equipments you need to use are a water bottle lid, 2 paint brushes, water, and acrylic paint. Place your paint on a palette and add water to make it easier to blend. Next, grab a clean brush and begin to wet your paper. In this painting, we are using the wet-to-wet technique. Then, take the lid and dip the bottom half in the paint, making sure it is even on all sides. Take a bit of darker color and start applying it from the side you want the shadow to be. Just color a quarter of the circle and you can also add the white part to make it look more realistic. After that, soak your clean brush. Begin blending it down. Toward the end, there should be little color. Then, make a lighter color by applying more water to color and apply it around the circle. Next is creating the shadow, and here use the same color you have used for the top part of the circle. Slowly move your hand and try not to mess it up. Finally, using a clean brush, try to give the shading some texture so it doesn't appear boring and solid.